Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to fix AirPods for battery pop-up not showing up on your Android. If your AirPods for battery pop-up isn't showing on your iPhone, you want to make sure to follow the steps. First of all, you want to go to settings and go to Bluetooth connection. Make sure your AirPods are listed as connected. If not, try opening the AirPods case with the lid open, placing them close to your iPhone. Then you want to place your AirPods in the case and close the lid as well, and ensure that the case is connected to a power source and charging. Wait for the case to charge and then open the lid again. As you do it so, then you want to go ahead and open up the settings once again, and then you want to go to Bluetooth, tap on the I button next to the AirPods and tap on forget this device and then confirm. Then follow the prompt in the Apple support article. You want to make sure to contact the customer support and they should be able to help you out. If not, you could also reset your AirPods. For that, you want to place your AirPods in a case, close the lid wait for about 15 seconds, then open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. Then follow the steps on your iPhone to reconnect it, and that should be able to help you out. The other thing what you could also do is you could also force restart your iPhone. For that, press and volume up button, press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. That could be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.